ChatGPT and Perplexity both promise to answer any question you throw at them. But when it actually matters, when you need real facts you can trust, only one of them consistently gets it right. I tested both, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly which to open, and when. Quick framing, because this is the thing most people get wrong. These are not the same kind of tool. ChatGPT is a general assistant that happens to search the web when it decides a question needs it. Perplexity is an answer engine. It searches the live web first, every single time, and builds its answer from what it finds. That one difference drives everything else. So let's judge them on the things that actually matter for research: citations, freshness, and trust. Round 1, Citations. This is Perplexity's home turf. It puts numbered sources next to basically every claim, so you can click through and verify where each fact came from. ChatGPT can cite sources when it's browsing, but it often doesn't, and it'll happily give you a confident answer with nothing to check it against. For research, that's a big deal. A fact you can't trace is a fact you can't trust. So round 1 goes clearly to Perplexity. Round 2, Freshness. Because Perplexity searches the live web on every query, it's usually stronger on anything time-sensitive, breaking news, prices, recent releases. Chat's browsing works, but it can lag, and if it decides not to search, you might get an answer baked in from months ago. If your question depends on what's true today, Perplexity is the safer default. Round 2, Perplexity again. But here's the honest part nobody tells you: neither one is bulletproof. Independent researchers have caught both tools confidently citing sources that don't actually support the claim, and sometimes inventing references entirely. Perplexity does it less often than ChatGPT, but the lesson is the same: verify anything that matters. These are research assistants, not research replacements. Round 3, Everything else. This is where ChatGPT pulls ahead. It's not just search: it writes, it codes, it analyzes files, it generates images, it has voice mode. Perplexity is sharp and focused, but narrow. If you want one tool that does the most, ChatGPT wins on range. So who actually wins? Here's the real answer. For pulling facts and sources you can trust, open Perplexity. For creating, writing, and building things, open ChatGPT. The pros don't pick one, they know which one to open for each job. And a money-saving tip: both charge $20 a month for their pro tiers, but you can get most of this value on their free versions first. Don't pay until you've felt where each one actually helps you. So which one are you reaching for, Perplexity or ChatGPT? Tell me in the comments what you use each for. If this made the choice clearer, a like really helps this new channel. And next video, I'm showing you how to turn any PDF into a study guide in minutes with Notebook LM. Subscribe so you don't miss it. This is A Amplified. See you in the next one.